Good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing today? Peyer Daniel here, and today is the first day back in the States. Woo! And to start it off, let's make some coffee. That's the good stuff.
She says that she loves me, she just wants to fuck me. Got me feeling something, got me feeling nothing. Alcoholic junkie, says she thinks I'm funny. Think I might get lucky, spending too much money. She says she wants my necklace, put her on the guest list. Hope I don't regret this, hope I don't regret this. I'm feeling hella reckless, cashing all my checks rich. Hickeys on my neck, shit, she's on the offensive. I do not know my set list, still I'm gonna get lit. Yeah, I have a death wish, live until I'm breathless. I'ma stay progressive, she gon' stay obsessive. Life is so expensive.
The toughest decision of the day. Which coffee cup to choose?
She snuck into my section.
I think I'm gonna go with Old Reliable. The Fish from Outdoorsman, Wisconsin. Let's get drinking. And I've told you guys this multiple times, the best coffee I ever have is one espresso. These girls don't even know me. Like Drake, I'm getting trophies. You want it, girl, then show me. Cause we ain't getting no sleep. No, we ain't getting no 2/3 coffee. She's sitting up in the front of the class, using that ass, she gonna pass. Keeping her pad and her pen in her lap. She been so bad with the men in her past. Now she just want the professor so bad. I'll give her lessons that she never had, like taking a freshman and teaching her math. I'll keep her guessing until she a grad. She always leaves them guessing. They don't know what's not gonna lie, that coffee looks really weak today, so I may add more espresso and make it a day. But yeah, let's get it started. First day in America. Woo! Wow, that's really bright still. Come on. There we go. So after drinking some coffee, we are headed to the gym. Let's get to it. Let go. Hasta la vista. That means bye. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's go to the gym.
I'll be back in a minute. I'll be back in a minute. Make a track in a minute. And I'm all up in it. No sleep. These girls don't even know me. Like Drake, I'm getting trophies. You want it, girl, then show me. Yeah.
Well, guys, it's time to go to the gym. Good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing today? Peyer Daniel here, and today is the same day as I came on here earlier, but I forgot to vlog the whole day because I didn't do it. I don't know. I'm sorry, guys. It is currently 7 o'clock at night right now, and I am about to hit some legs because you told me to. Therefore, I am going to the gym right now, and come on, focus. Therefore, I am going to the gym right now to hit some legs. So, let's hit some legs. Good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing today? Peyer Daniel here, and today is day 3 of being back in the States. It is kind of chilly out, but I can still go outside shirtless, so it's like, yeah, it's actually really cold out. I would not recommend this. But, yeah, let's see what the weekend has in store. I'm going to take some pictures, go to the gym, and something special for you guys. Stay tuned.
She says that she loves me, she just wants to fuck me. Got me feeling something, got me feeling nothing. Alcoholic junkie, says she thinks I'm funny. Think I might get lucky, spending too much money. She says she wants my necklace, put her on the guest list. Hope I don't regret this, hope I don't regret this. I'm feeling hella reckless, cashing all my checks rich, hickeys on my neck, shit.
A lot of people ask how I take my photos on Instagram and everything like that just because they look professional. So guys, this is how I do it. Camera A, trigger. I put a 2-second delay on the click and take pictures. That is literally how I do it. There's no easier way than that to do it. I mean, so I've been doing it since day one.
Sleep. These girls don't even know me. Like Drake, I'm getting trophies. You want it, girl, then show me. Yeah. And we ain't getting no sleep.
So as you can obviously see, I'm doing a little adjustments to the camera. I'm doing a little adjustments to the ISO, the aperture, and the shutter speed. So basically, when you take a look into it, I like to have the lowest ISO, which is 100, and for the aperture, I have a 50 millimeter lens on right now, so 1.4 is the lowest, so it is a little dark in here, so I like to go to 1.4. Obviously I'm on a white background, so it doesn't really matter if it's blurred or not, but the 50 millimeter lens does a good job of already blurring the background, so aperture doesn't really matter as much for me. And since I'm doing this alone, I like to have a little bit faster of a shutter speed. I think I'm at 80, 1/80th of a second, so it's a decent shutter speed for how fast it's going. I don't really need too much because I'm not doing too many movements. Usually when I do it like outside where there is a lot going on still. So, I mean, you just kind of have to take about 40-50 pictures and you get about 3 or 4 good ones. At least that's my ratio. So it does take a lot of time and effort, but to be a good influencer and to succeed on Instagram, you have to have those amazing pictures. So you have to take a bunch of them just to get a few good ones. And that's modeling in general. I'm not sure how many of you guys have modeled or want to get into modeling. I kind of got into modeling by just kind of posting on Instagram, and people contacted me, and then I was like, why would you want to take photos of me for money? Like it was just like, I know people are like, well, like you're like good looking and blah blah blah, but back then I didn't have the confidence I have now. So looking back at it, it's like, why? And I didn't know anything about the industry. So I didn't know people got paid like $1,000 to do a couple hour shoots. So it was just like, it blew my mind being from little town Wisconsin that these people were getting paid thousands of dollars that were just average people like me. And that's when it kind of took off in my career, and then I started getting paid to do them. Obviously this is a year down the line after I was doing free ones. It also really depends on the look, your physique, what you can go for. Right now in my current category, I can never do fashion. My legs are too big, my arms are too big, they just don't fit into many types of clothing, so it's difficult to do. So basically I just have to go in the aesthetic or the model or the muscle look, or the so I have to go into the model look of fitness like Nike or Adidas or something along those lines. So there's less companies that I can go to, but I can also do a lot of swimwear, I can also do a lot of underwear shots that most like models can't because they just don't look the greatest. I don't really know if you guys want to see this type of content or if you guys want to hear about my modeling jobs or what it is, but you guys let me know because I have a little bit more experience than the average person. Do I have a ton of experience? No, I don't, but hey, you know what? I've gotten paid off of shoots and it's made me some money. So I mean, if you guys want to make money, if you want to learn more about it, if you want to learn more about fitness, leave it in the comments below. It'll really help me out decide what to post, what to do more videos on. And I can do sit-down videos of anything you want. I can do stand-up videos. I can do flexing videos. I mean, just let me know what you guys want to see and I'll post it. Other than that, I think this concludes the day. Remember, just keep living life.